Welcome back to Empowers Media. My name is Ricardo for those of you who don't know me, and in this video I'm going to show you what you should do if you encounter the same annoying virus pop-up that I've been encountering while searching the web. Okay, so I've got my screen recorder recording and I'm on my home screen. I'm going to tap Chrome to start browsing just a random site. I'm browsing Amazon right now just to show you guys what happens with this pop-up. These are some things I was looking at and thinking about purchasing earlier today. So I'm looking and there it is. Okay, so it's a pop-up that says I've got a virus on my LG G6 is now infected. So it's a 4-minute timer, and I'm not going to make you guys watch this entire countdown. So I went ahead and cut out the majority of the countdown, and so now we're down to 1 minute and 28 seconds and counting down. It says 2 viruses have been detected on my LG G6. It will soon corrupt my SIM card, my data, my photos, and my contacts if no action is taken. So this is total BS. If you guys have this pop-up popping up while you're browsing on your Android phone, and what it's trying to do is it's trying to get you to take these steps. It wants you to tap that button down below to go to Google Play Store and install some app to remove this virus. And this to me is a scam. I want to show you guys what happens if you just don't panic and think you have to do what it says, because we're going to let this timer run out and actually see what happens. So we got 27 seconds left, and I've got antivirus software on my phone, or malware, whatever you call it. So I'm pretty protected and I'm backed up, so I'm not worried about losing any of my apps or data or contacts or everything it says that I'll lose here. Okay, so the timer has ran out and nothing is happening. And this says it's from Google. I have a hard time believing that Google would allow this to be popping up to kind of scam everybody into taking some kind of action. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and tap that blue button down there that says remove virus now and see what it prompts me to do. Okay, so I just tapped the remove virus now button down at the bottom of the page, and it's taken me to the Google Play Store, where it says it's an app called the Handy Clean Cleaner, Cooler, and Booster. It wants me to install this app to remove some fake viruses that I know I don't have on my phone. It's got 10,000 downloads, which I guess are 10,000 people that have actually fallen for this. So I'm going to back out of that. I'm not going to install that app, and we're going to see what happens now. Now it's saying system warning. Okay, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here to this new tab, and I'm going to X this screen out. And if you guys see down here in the bottom right corner, I've got this ScamGuard scams. I'm going to click on that. And this is the site. It's www.scamguard.com. This is the site where you can go and report scams, fraud, and make complaints about things like this. It's a free consumer-driven website. where anyone can publicly share their experiences regarding the suspicious or deceitful activities of organizations and individuals. And I've used this before to report things. You just create an account, it's free, sign in, you report the scam. So for all of you out there who are getting this pop up, don't panic. Just all you have to do is X out of that tab that you're on and you'll be safe. Now, I would suggest for everyone who gets that pop-up to go to this ScamGuard site and report it. And maybe as a group, if enough people report it, maybe we can get it removed from the search engines. That concludes this video, so I hope this information was helpful. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you guys in the next video.